Hi, I'm going to show you how to do this V-stitch. It's done in multiples of 3 plus 5. I used a H hook with medium worsted yarn, and with a sample of a chain 20, it measured 7 inches, around 7 inches, and each row was half an inch. If you like to make a blanket, you could do a chain of 101 or so and do about 35 rows or about 40 rows if you like to do that for a baby's blanket. Okay, so let's get started. Start out with a slip knot onto your hook, and I'm doing a sample of 20. You can do any type of chain as long as it's done in multiples of 3 plus 5, and the pattern for this is listed down below. So once you have your chain count, then we can move on to the next part. Double crochet in the third chain from the hook. Grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then you're going to chain 1, double crochet in that same chain to complete your first V-stitch. Now you're going to skip 2 chains and work in the next chain a double crochet. Chain 1, work a double crochet in that same chain. Skip 2 chains and work a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet, and then repeat that until you get to the end. You have 1 chain left. You're going to work a double crochet. Then you're going to, looks like this. Now you're going to chain 3, turn, and work in the chain 1 space, right in the V-stitch, work another V-stitch, which is a double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And then work another V-stitch in the next V-stitch, double crochet, right in that chain 1, double crochet. And then just repeat that, double crochet in the next, chain 1, double crochet. And that's the pattern across until you get to the end. Now you're at the end, you're going to work your last V-stitch and the last V-stitch. So work your double crochet, chain 1, double crochet. And now you're going to double crochet on top of that chain 3, and this is how you complete every row from now on. You can add a new color if you like, and this is how you do your V-stitches, just like this. It's pretty easy once you get the hang of it. If this is your first time, you're going to chain 3 again and just repeat, turn, work your V-stitch in that first V-stitch, chain 1, double crochet. And this is how this V-stitch looks once it's finished. And repeat that until you get to the end. Okay, so thank you for watching. Please subscribe.